Good day, ma'am. My name is Nancy Precioso.
My name is Janine Chavez, and we are going to demonstrate assessing an apical and radial pulse. First, we need to assess the client if there's any clinical sign of hypovolemic shock.
Assemble equipment, which is watch with a second-hand indicator and the wipes and a stethoscope.
And we are going to introduce ourselves into the client and verify the client's identity and explain what we are going to do and how the client can cooperate. Good day, ma'am. We are your student nurse, Janine Chavez,
May Nancy Precioso.
and we are going to get your apical and radial pulse.
So, ma'am, pwede ko mangutan na if comfortable lang ba ka sa mong posisyon. And, pwede ko mangutan na sa imong pangalan, ma'am.
Jessa.
Birthday.
October 20, 2005.
Edad, ma'am.
Ano, 19.
So, after that, I'm going to perform the hand hygiene and the provide client privacy.
And then, position the client appropriately, and we are going to locate the client's apical and radial pulse. And then, after that, we are going to count the apical pulse and radial pulse. But before that, I am going to read the stethoscope from earpiece to diaphragm using an alcohol patch. And after that, I am going to warm the diaphragm against my arm in a circular wave motion. And then I am going to insert the earpiece into my ear and tap the diaphragm and see if it's active.
Ma'am, okay lang ba nga i-touch na yung mga apical pulse and radial pulse? So, Nurse Janine, mag-ihap the 60 seconds and pag magiging mag-start na ha, and then magiging mag-stop ta. So, start now. Stop. So, sa radial pulse, ma'am, is 65 beat per minute, and then sa rhythm niya is consistent, and then sa volume is bounding.
Sa apical, ma'am, is 64 beat per minute and the rhythm is consistent while the volume is bumping.
Then documents the client work.
Next is assessing respiration and measuring oxygen saturation. First, we need to assess the client chest movement, chest pain, and activity tolerance. And after that, I am going to prepare all of the equipment such as wristwatch with second hand or indicator and the pulse oximeter for measuring oxygen saturation. And then introduce yourself to the client and verify the client's identity and explain what you are going to do and how the client can cooperate. And then I am going to perform a hand hygiene to prevent contamination and provide client privacy. And after that, I am going to observe or palpate and count the respiratory rate. But before that, I am going to check the client nails if there's any cuticles to avoid blocking the sensory of the pulse oximeter. insert the pulse oximeter into the index finger of the client. And I am going to put the hand into the chest. At the same time, I am going to observe or palpate and count the respiratory rate for 30 seconds. So the respiratory rate is 8. So I will multiply it by 2. So 16. So the oxygen is 99 and the character is quiet and the depth is shallow while the rhythm is consistent. And after that, I am going to document the client record.